guys, welcome back to CyberNOS channel, and I'm so happy today that I have someone who has passed CISSP with flying colors. Meet Sridhar ji, and let's all listen to his success story, CISSP success story. So over to you, Sri sir. Most welcome and many congratulations to you.
Thank you, Pratima. Thank you, Pratima, for the wonderful introduction which you have given. And what you said is right. I have passed my CISSP exam with flying colors. And I completed the total examination in 50 to 55 minutes and in 100 questions. The 100th question I answered, and the screen went blank, and I was just had to complete a small survey which is there mandatory, which every candidate has to do. And once I went out and took my scorecard, and it said, yes, congratulations, you cleared the CISP exam. So this is what normally happens. And I would like to express my sincere gratitude to CyberNOS for their exceptional training program. This training program, it played a crucial role in helping me pass the examination with such a flying colors. I would like to emphasize on one thing: the training methodology was outstanding. It was well structured. It was a combination of video lessons, punch statements, core knowledge. We had domain-wise question and answers. We had, one of the most important thing which I felt was the concept mastery, which created the concept mastery of the entire CISSP, all the domains. And apart from that, there is a mindset mastery which is very, very important, and that only makes us to clear the examination. Let me be very clear that even if you go through 1 lakh questions, and when you sit for the examination, you see that none of the question repeats. And this exam methodology is exceptional. This is not that you just read, retain, and just dump whatever there in your head. The questions are different for everyone. And the important thing which is required to clear the CISP exam is mastering the concept, having a proper mindset. So when we say proper mindset, I'd like to emphasize on one more thing, that many of the candidates who passed the examination or who provide the training, they said that the CISP mindset is, a managerial mindset. But that's not true, because, each and every question comes with a mindset. There is a manager, there is a CISO, there is a CIO, there is a security analyst. So, each and every question we have to, wear different hats to answer that question. We are with the CISO mindset and we are answering a question of a security analyst. There are likely chances that that answer will go wrong. So now, why I said all these things is the mindset mastery which is there with CyberNOS. It is a top notch and it is a USP. You can't find it anywhere. The way the mindset mastery has been articulated, it always emphasized on picking up the right hat for the question, understanding the question, understanding who should answer the question, which role should answer the question, and accordingly pick the hat and think with their methodology. So this was, very great. And training program is also structured. It is unlike other programs. Generally, what we have is in the market, what we see is domain 1, domain 8. So domain wise, we just go through the questions, go through the training first, then we go through the questions, then we complete the questions, with 92% scoring in the mock exams. And finally, what happens is when we go to the exam, we see that no, these questions are not there, and we come up with failure. The only reason, there are different modules in this CyberNOS platform. The first module, it is a day based. It's not a domain based. We have to take a 100-day challenge. Every day we go through one domain knowledge. We complete a video, we complete the punch statements, we complete the core knowledge. And sometimes we feel whatever we gone through the video, the same thing is again repeating in the punch statement. Again, it is coming in the core concepts. So at some point of a time, we think, this is repeating again and again. And that is the brainchild. That is the only thing which, puts the entire content into your brain and it enables to retain the knowledge, not the question and answer. So this I found very, very important and very, very interesting concept in CyberNOS. So likewise, I have completed the 100-day program. Every day I was able to complete the video lesson followed by the punch statements followed by the core knowledge. And once we completed this, then I have tested my mindset 2 or 3 times. And once I tested my mindset, I have attended some of the mock tests. And yeah, due to time limitation, I was unable to attend all the mock tests. I attended only 2 to 3 mock tests. And I thought I was ready for the exam. And then I went for the big day and I came back with flying colors. So I would sincerely, appreciate the effort, which even a collaborative effort which Manoj sir and entire CyberNOS team has put across for all the students, and recommend CyberNOS for students and aspiring CISSP. Not only CISSP, there are many other courses here. The methodology remains the same. So I 100% recommend CyberNOS for students who are aspiring CISSP. Thank you.
Thank you, Sri sir, for speaking so openly and having faith in CyberNOS as well as in the mentorship of Manoj sir. And we are so grateful that you have joined the call today to express your thoughts, how you cleared your exam. And many congratulations once again, and thank you for joining the call.
Thank you.